Welcome, Jai Hind Defence aspirants. As you all know that Centurion Defence Academy offers the highest selection rate in respect to the Indian Armed Forces. So there's another add-on in the mountain of selections of Centurion Defence Academy. रोली पांडे जिन्होंने NDA-150 कोर्स के लिए अपना रिकमेंडेशन प्राप्त किया है 34 SSB इलाहाबाद बोर्ड से। आज के इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि कैसे रोली ने सेंचुरियन डिफेंस एकेडमी की एट पार गाइडेंस और एक्सीलेंट फैकल्टी को यूज़ करके अपने रिकमेंडेशन को किया है प्राप्त।
From the picture shown to us, I have perceived multiple characters. Their age is between 20 to 35, and the main character of my story is male of age 21. Mood of the main character is positive, and the mood of other character is not visible. Action is clearing insurgency. Raj is a newly commissioned officer. He is posted in the Kupwara district of Jammu and Kashmir. One day when he was patrolling, he noticed that there was a group of people who started throwing stones on them. After that, he informed to his seniors and got the instruction to clear the insurgency. Then after that, he talked to them politely and also motivated the youth and also tell them that army was for their well-being and for the protection of the country, and also convinced them with his talks. After that, the group of people, they returned. He started his patrolling. Next day, his commanding officer called him and he praised and appreciated his work. He was very happy with his work and was really devoted to his duty. Thank you. From the picture shown to us, I have perceived two characters. One is male in his 30s and other is female. She is the main character of my story of age 15, and mood of the main character is positive, other is also positive. Action is spreading awareness to shopkeepers and other people. Rani is a school student. One day when she was in the market with her father, she was shocked to see cardboard, food packet wrappers and polythene around the shop. After that, she decided to aware them about the cleanness program. She discussed it with her father and searched on the Google about the various programs.
It will be like a fellow who is in the railway
Removing of the
From the picture shown to us, I have perceived three characters. All are male. Their age is of 30, 24, and the main character is of age 15. Mood of all the characters are positive. Action is making shelter house for the birds. Raj is a school student. On his summer vacation, he got an activity on birds. He was excited to search about them. So he started his search. He got to know that there was a lot of problems which was faced by the birds, which was related during the summer time. It was related to their shelter, water and food. So he decided to help them. For that, he convinced his father to make a shelter house for them, and for that he also helped him in the making a shelter house for the birds in his balcony. After that, he put water and food in the shelter house, and he was very happy to see that birds started coming within 2 days. After that, he completed his activities, and when the summer vacations were over, he went into his school and shared his experience with his friends and requested them to help the birds so that they can overcome the problems. And he also thanked his teacher for giving him such a beautiful activity. He was happy.
as an aspirant of civil engineering.
From the picture shown to us, I have perceived one character, that is female of age 18. Mood is positive. She is the main character of my story, and action is spreading awareness. Rani is a college student. On her summer vacation, she visited her village. Going there one fine morning, when she was enjoying the village river, she noticed that people were not aware of cleanness of river. They were throwing polythene, foodstuff packets and household garbages into the river. Watching this, she decided to aware them. For that, she made the paper bags and also collected the information from the net and then talked to Sarpanch. After that, she conducted a panchayat. There she told them about the Namami Gange program and clean river mission. Listening her, villagers were very happy. They promised her to clean the river. After that, she distributed all the paper bags, and watching this, she was very happy with her work and she enjoyed her vacations.
at the railway
You
station.
can make the main character as he is
ambulance.
going to help all the people who were injured into that movie.
And we can call the ambulance also, so that the people which are injured that can be taken to the hospital at the right time.
And also